everyone, so today is going to be a quick little video. I have got a Lookfantastic haul for you. I'm here to share with you that they've got like a 40% deal on, not that I'm here, well I'm showing you what I got. I'm showing you what I got. Really it's just, at the minute it's such, they've got such fab sales, discounts on. I ordered all this in that deal. I'm hoping to get this up to date so you guys can actually go and look on the website. As you guys know, I'm on a basically like a visually a no buy, but not really like a low buy. I'm only buying stuff if I've run out of something or something like that. So I had run out of some things, so I did need some things. So I purchased some things and then I couldn't resist the sale. My coupon code for Lookfantastic is actually working on top of the discount on some of the items as well. So that is amazing. So like I say, I'm trying not to purchase unnecessarily. I had so much stuff from Advent calendar season. I just didn't need anything. I haven't had to buy a shower gel this year or anything. But the first thing is currently I'm out of concealers apart from one, which is honestly, it makes me look awful, so I had to purchase a concealer. So I'm gonna get the trusty Maybelline Age Rewind, but I thought, you know, I'm gonna try something new. And I did want the Hourglass one. That was like tempting me because, you know, guys, I love it. But I actually, could I not find it, or was it out of stock? One of the two. Yeah, so I got this iHeart, I think it means in real life because it's IRL Filter Finish Concealer, Soft Matte Concealer. This is from Revolution. This was like under £3, which is an absolute bargain. It's got the most unusual applicator. I'm actually wearing it today. It's the shape of the applicator. Yeah. But one thing I will say, I find Revolution shade range, they've got fab shade range, nowhere to lie, like it's amazing. But I feel like I struggle finding shades. I feel like this works, but I always feel like I either go really too light because they have really light shades, which is amazing. But I just can never like get through their shades. I always struggle finding a shade. But yeah, this was like under £3. I'll have everything I've got linked down below. Something that I purchased for Christmas presents is these. I actually got something like this for my niece for Christmas or her birthday last year. It is the, oh, was it for Valentine's Day this year? It's just the Beauty Works gift set. These were with my, they were like 8 or 9, they were like under £10 with the sale, but then with my discount I got these for like £8 each. So I got both of these, really good price. Yeah, and you get a heat protection spray, a conditioner, shampoo, a mask, and then a little sample of the hair oil. And I really do like Beauty Works product. So yeah, I was really chuffed with them. As I know I shouldn't say it, but I try and purchase one Christmas present in a week. So I got 2 this week. So I am out of dry shampoo, which is absolutely crazy. Which is crazy. I've got my Ted Baker loose dry shampoo and that's what I'm currently using now. But I honestly love that so much I don't want to use it all up. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to purchase a dry shampoo. So I got the one that I really like, budget friendly shampoo, dry shampoo, is L'Oreal Air Volume Dry Shampoo. I actually love this. I really do. It's very close second to the, God, what the hell is it called? The one that I love that is so bougie, it's unreal. It's like £18 for a dry shampoo. I just can't justify it. It is crazy. So yeah, I got this one, Living Proof dry shampoo. But then I did see this one, so I should have only bought one, you know, because I'm trying not to purchase. But I looked at this and I thought, yeah, the shape of that gives me like Living Proof dry shampoo vibes. It's from Revolution. I think this was, I got this for like £2. It is the Revive Dry Shampoo, refreshes and revitalises for daily use. And it's got 0% talc. For normal oily hair, my hair gets quite oily at the root. I thought, do you think this could be a dupe for Living Proof? I haven't seen anybody talk about it or anything like that. But I feel like Revolution do a lot of dupes, so I was hoping that maybe it is. So yeah, I purchased that as well. I feel so shaky this morning. I feel like I need something in me. I'm hoping it's sugar. Right, so then I needed some setting mist. Well, I needed a setting mist because my Charlotte Tilbury one has got about that much. And I've been currently using my Tinkerbell one, but it's my Disney Tinkerbell one from Spectrum, and I don't want to use that up. you know, like, I mean, I love it. I got it because it's Disney, and I don't want it to not be there for at least a while. Yeah. But then my mum bought me the Aldi one, so I didn't actually need a dry shampoo in the end, but I did. Not dry shampoo, facial setting mist. So somehow I end up buying 3. I do use setting mist every day. Like, if I wear makeup, I use it every day. So this one, we'll talk with this one. This is a mini size of the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Mist. I've been wanting to try this for ages. It's been on my wish list. And with my discount and the discount they had going on at the minute, I got this for like £8, and I know it's tiny for £8. It's tiny and £8, but yeah, I've been wanting to try it for ages. So I was only going to get that, but then I seen this one, and it was like Revolution Coconut Restore Fix and Spray Rehab, and I was thinking, is this like the Huda Beauty coconut one that I really like? Because you guys know, and this was under £5. I love the Huda Beauty like coconut one. I'm not even the biggest fan of coconut scents. I was like, yeah, I have to try that, so I'm going to spray it on my face and try it. So it smells very coconutty. Oh, I tell you right off the bat, that's way more coconutty than the Huda Beauty one. It kind of knocks me sick. The mist was really nice, and it looks nice enough. But wow, that is really coconutty. Like, I love the Huda Beauty one, but that is not. This is like coconut on steroids. Yeah, so we'll see if it performs the same way as the Huda Beauty one, but scent wise, yeah, that's definitely not like the Huda Beauty one. But I'm really wanting it for the performance, not the scent. But wow. And then next, I seen this one. I was like, oh, I can't resist this. This is another Revolution one. These were so cheap, by the way, like really budget friendly. And it's amethyst with crystals. They've done 3 types, and I wanted them all, but I was good and I got one. But I may like be naughty and get the others. There was like a pink quartz, I think, and one other one, but I can't remember what that one is. Oh, actually, do you just want to meet my kitten? Georgie, do you want to come and say hello? She's jumping around all the rubbish. Georgie, look at the screen. Oh, no, she doesn't want to look at the screen. Georgie. Yeah, that's Georgie. She's not interested. Georgie. Ah, there. Right, I'll let her go before she, like, scratches me. She's wild. Yeah, so that's Georgie. So we've got the Revolution Calm and Fix and Amethyst Spray enriched with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so I just couldn't resist it, and I wanted the other one. I've trashed it already. That's what you get for using your teeth, girls and guys. Yeah, so there's the amethyst in it. I mean, how stunning is that? How could you not want that? The bottles look very much like the Charlotte Tilbury design, like that's what it feels like, this bit. Yeah, so I may get the other ones in time. We'll see what this one performs like. So it's got the crystals. I'm going to take the crystals out of this when I'm finished and use them for something, if there's a way to do that. So let's have a try. Oh, it has like a lavendery lilac scent. I just wonder if you can take the crystal. Yes, you can. Look, you can screw this off. That's fab. I was just sitting thinking to myself, I wonder if you can take the crystals out when you're done, and you can just screw that off. So like, you're getting the crystals as well, which I will use. So yeah, that is my little mini Lookfantastic haul. I don't know how this little tiny haul ended up being 10 minutes. I thought it was going to be like a quick 5-minute video. I'm so sorry for rambling. Yeah, but I did get 3 setting mists, even though I only needed 1. But this is the one I wanted, but then I couldn't resist these 2 because I wanted to try them. That was good. I didn't get 2 other ones. I mean, I'm setting mist out for a little while. And I got the 2 dry shampoos. Love this already. Haven't tried this, so can't comment. And then I got the concealer. And I got all of these at such a discounted price. Oh, and I got the 2 Beauty Works gift sets. Yes, I got all these from Lookfantastic. I did use my code. Yeah, and they have that 40% thing that's going on at the minute. So I'll upload this video as soon as I can. And yeah, hopefully the deal is still on, so you can get yourself some bargains, even if you want to get yourself some Christmas presents in. I know I shouldn't say it, but it will be here before we know it. I've already seen 3 advent calendars. I've seen the Lush, the Degusta box and the Colour Beauty one. I've seen them yesterday. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.